I will be teaching you guys how to draw the map of Canada. First, we have to look at a picture reference and draw overlines of the map. Then divide them into their colonies and color them blue for English and orange for French. The reason why is because blue and orange is at the opposite of the color wheel. So when they mix together, they show a very ugly color, representing how hard it is for them to get along. Draw a red circle and blend them in PEI, representing the Confederation Conference that happened from 1864 to 1866. Representatives were John A. Macdonald and George Cartier. That's a pretty purple. Let's color these other parts a different shade of purple. These colonies were Canada West, Canada East, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia. These are the colonies that signed the Confederation in 1867. Notice how BC is still white. BC has rich resources which we can have access to. But in order to get those resources, we have to convince BC to join the Confederation. It wasn't hard because all BC wanted was a railway from the west to the east. Though the indigenous people did not like the idea very much. Because of the indigenous people, the railway was not finished until 1885. And that's how you draw the map of Canada.